Hello everyone. This is Chef Praveen Jha, and today I will make a salad preparation. It's a new salad, and this is my invention. This is immunity booster salad, and the ingredients I will use some of them local ingredients and some exotic ingredients and as well. So stay tuned. Waiting for the people actually. Give us a few more time to start. Hello. Hi everyone. Again, I'm waiting for the people, and now I am starting. I will start salad, and for salad, I will start with the dressing first. So now I will start with the dressing first. Salad dressing first I will make. I am making my own dressing, which is ginger, garlic, and basil vinaigrette. For ginger, garlic, and basil vinaigrette, we have chopped ginger, chopped garlic, fresh basil, olive oil, vinegar, mustard powder, white pepper, black pepper, and salt. So I will start with ginger, garlic vinaigrette. So first, as I said, first I will chop some basil. We'll chop some basil. So fine chop supposed to be. Very fine chop. Because dressing is a very important part of the salad, and there is a fourth part of the salad basically, which is a base, body, dressing, and garnish. As you know, people prefer to eat sometime without excessive dressing, also without garnish as well, but this is the authentic, this is my preparation. Chopped basil I already added. This is pre-measured olive oil. This is 2 spoons. Olive oil I already added. This is vinegar. Same equal quantity of olive oil and vinegar. Mustard seeds, mustard, crushed mustards. It's made from fresh mustard seeds. Some white pepper powder, half teaspoon. Black pepper powder, half teaspoon. And half teaspoon salt. And after that, as I said, this is basil ginger garlic vinaigrette. So I will add some chopped ginger in this. Chopped garlic. Now I will whisk it, make a nice dressing. Dressing is ready, so I will keep aside in a bowl. This is ginger garlic and basil vinaigrette. Dressing is ready. Now I will cut some ingredients like some bell pepper, some green apple, bell pepper, sweet lime, green bell pepper, oranges, cucumber and plum. So red bell pepper is very good among all three bell peppers. Whichever we use, red bell pepper is a very good and immunity booster if you compare with green and yellow one. Fine equal size, uniform cutting. So hope you people enjoy this salad. And second, we have some fresh oranges. This is not Indian oranges like Nagpur, so we won't get this kind of in season. You can use Nagpur orange. Again, fresh oranges. Some green apple, because green apple is very healthy, so that's why I am using green apple, and I am using equal quantity of all fruits and veggies. Can't keep apple outside a long time without any application of either milk or lemon juice, so it will not become dark. Green bell pepper. And I am using some sweet lime as well, because sweet lime is very good immune booster. Then if you don't have sweet lime, you can use any other kind of citrus fruits. remove all the seeds and all. Make sure there is no seeds in the salad. And without cucumber, there is no any good preparation of salad, as I believe. And I am using cucumber with skin. This is already very crunchy cucumber. I'm adding some plum as an add-ons. It's not necessary, you can add whatever you want, but I am adding some plum because plum is one of my favorite fruits. So all the cutting is ready for immune booster salad. Now I have to add some fresh cilantro. Fresh cilantro. I will add some broccoli. That's a pre-boiled broccoli. This is broccoli. Then I will add some raisins, pre-boiled raisins. It's a soaked raisins. Some celery I will add in this. This is also add-on. If you don't have celery, no need to put celery. This is a celery, very good. It's give a very nice taste. This is a very rich in vitamin C and B complex, iron and all. So this is almost ready, guys. So now I will make the salad. I will toss this. I will toss this with dressing which I previously prepared. This is a ginger, garlic and basil vinaigrette. There is already seasoning in it, salt, pepper and all. I will toss it with soft hands, mix it nicely. This is ready almost. Now usually in salad, for salad base, people usually use lettuce and any leafy vegetables. I will use also that, but I will use some different things as well. This is iceberg lettuce. in iceberg lettuce I will put some sprouts on top. I have a different 4 kinds of sprouts. I have a jawar, I have a methi seeds, fenugreek, I have a Indian Bengal gram sprouted one. This is a green gram sprouted one. This is I am using as a base. This is a pre-soaked sprouts. Slightly fenugreek, very good actually for health. Slightly bajra, millet you can say. And Bengal gram as well. This is just to give a very good healthy and immune booster touch. And if you wish, you can add some chopped green chili, sprinkle with it. It's a kind of basic sprout chaat base, but not with chaat masala and all. Chopped green chilies, and obviously without onion there is no any Indian salad preparation. You have to add some chopped onion as well. Just a fine chopped onion. So if you don't want to add chopped onion, don't add anything. You have some allergic. And for your information, this is all complete vegan recipes. Totally vegan recipes. There is no any cruelty involved in this recipe, and no any dairies and all. So this is the vegan recipes, 100% vegan recipes. So already salad base is ready. So now I am adding, this is the body with dressings. This is a lot of crunchy things, lot of sprouts, lot of veggies, everything good to go, everything fresh, with ginger, garlic, basil vinaigrette dressings. This is almost ready. This is a immunity booster salad, and this is ready to go. And I will add some pearl tomatoes as well. This is pearl tomatoes just for a coloring and eye appealing only. Some pearl tomatoes and some mint leaves on top. I have one more ingredients, that is pomegranate seeds, anardana, fresh pomegranate. So this is good to go. This is immunity booster salad, and you can eat this anytime, any as any kind of meal, like a starter, like a main course. Also I usually eat salad and main course in dinner, so it's very healthy and immune boosting salad. Now apart from that, I have a small salad as well, which is a superfood salad, which I am making just for 1 minute. Superfood salad, I have some ingredients for that. I am using this pumpkin seeds, I am using this pumpkin seeds, toasted pumpkin seeds, some toasted sunflower seeds as well. This is superfood. I prefer to eat superfood with dry superfood with salads. Flax seeds, 2 spoons. You can add any favorite of your seeds, like whatever you like. It's not like any sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds. Some sesame, white sesame as well, toasted one. Mix together. I would like to add some lemon juice in this. Squeeze some lemon juice. Some salt. Some black pepper. Good to go. You can add some jaggery and honey and all. If you want some, add some kind of cheese, paneer as well. But I won't use those kind of things because today I am making this just a vegan preparation. It's a complete vegan. This is some superfood salad. This is just for small bites with any kind of meal you can have. Garnish with mint leaves and some side of anardana. This is good to go, looking tempting. Wow. So guys, thanks for watching, and ready to give any answer. And I'm Chef Praveen Jha, and thanks for the show. Thanks to Amul team, and thank you everyone, and hope you enjoy the preparation, enjoyed the recipes. Thank you. Thank you guys. This is recipes.